Hello, this is Joan of Health, and welcome to my health and lifestyle channel. Welcome to today's video called the Emergency Action Plan. This is a great video for all women who are on a weight loss journey and struggling to stick to their diet. Can you relate? This video is packed with valuable tips and strategies that can help you overcome the temptation to cheat and keep you focused on your weight loss goals. So whether you're just starting your diet or you're feeling discouraged and ready to go, the Emergency Action Plan is a great resource that can help you stay on track and reach your desired results. So with a combination of expert advice, motivational tips, and practical strategies, this video is designed to empower women to overcome the challenges of weight loss and achieve their goals. So if you're ready to take control of your diet and see real results, be sure to check out the Emergency Action Plan. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so.
Hello and welcome to the tutorial that I call the Emergency Action Plan. You're probably wondering, what in the world is that? Well, the Emergency Action Plan is actually a set of tools for you to use when you have the urge to go off of your meal plan. And this is to help you to be proactive instead of reactive. It's not a substitute for developing good habits like I know that you have been. For example, if you're out and about and the urge to eat what other people are eating is creeping up on you, you can use these tools. Or if you're at home and somebody's eating something that's not on your meal plan, like pizza or something, you can use these tools as well. Or maybe you're at home and you're depressed about something and you want to do emotional eating, you can use these tools as well. The first thing that you can do is if you're out and about and you're at maybe a party, you're at a function, you're at a dinner, you want to excuse yourself, go into the restaurant and use one of these tools that I'm about to tell you about. Okay? You may really need this at first, especially if you've got a lot of withdrawals and things like that going on. So there's actually 5 things that research shows us will really help you resist temptation in the moment. And you're going to find that these tools can help you to replenish willpower and get you right back on track. So here they are. I actually learned about these from a mentor of mine by the name of Dr. Susan Pierce Thompson, PhD. So the first tool is social support. The first and most effective tool is human connection. So if you have a friend or a support buddy or a spouse that you can call or text, that's the best thing to do, period. Or talk to one of your coaches. Call them and tell them that you need some support. Most importantly, let them know how to support you. What is it that can support you? Know this in advance because times like these, they happen in life. So obviously you have your coaching calls and you have your coach, but your coach isn't always going to be there, and so you can use these tools for that. The second tool is prayer. So this is a research-verified method for replenishing willpower in the moment as well. So if you are a praying type of person, this is really good news to you. Pray, pray, pray. Remove yourself from the situation and go to the bathroom or go to your car. Go wherever you can to take a moment and ask God to relieve your temptation to eat and to go off of your meal plan. Ask God to give you strength. Say your favorite prayer. Sit for a moment, breathe, and just ask for help. Then watch as you get through the rest of the day without deviating from your food plan. It's very powerful. The next tool is meditation. So if you're at a party or a restaurant, you can always excuse yourself, go to the bathroom, sit in there, take some deep breaths, and just quiet your mind and your body down for a bit. Just 5 minutes of meditation is enough to replenish your willpower. And now that so many people are virtual distancing, learning, and working, go into your bathroom or go into your bedroom. Go somewhere and just meditate for 5 minutes. It will definitely help. The next tool is gratitude. No matter where you are in the world, no matter at what party or occasion or what restaurant, you can always turn your mind towards gratitude. You can drop down, something from like something that you're grateful for on a piece of paper, on the back of a receipt. If you're sitting there at your desk, you can type it or into, a document or write it out. You can even put it into your smartphone. Okay? You can even say it in your head. You can even whisper it to a friend. It's amazing how turning your thoughts to gratitude will ease those temptations. The next tool is to be of service to others. So when you stop actually thinking about yourself and you focus on others, it's easier to stop obsessing over things that only relate to you. Get into service. Addictive eating is an isolating, insular, self-absorbed, mind-numbing phenomenon. Service dispels all of this. Being of service for someone or something else is nice and helpful. All right, you can give somebody a compliment or a smile or join some type of a service-based organization to get your mind off of things. So, human connection, prayer, meditation, and gratitude and service brings us to the 5 strategies for avoiding temptation during emergencies. But there's also one more strategy that is infinitely adaptable, and that's called distraction. Go for a walk, take a bath, exercise, journal, watch TV, read a book, call a friend, pet your animal. Look at your commitment statement. Why are you doing this? All right? So some people also find that when they want to eat, just going into the kitchen and prepping their healthy food for the next day can also help.
Thank you so much for watching. This is Joan of Health. Please like and share this video and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.